We've absolutely all been there. You reach into your pocket, you check your purse, and suddenly your stomach just completely drops. Your Westpac debit card isn't where it's supposed to be. In that exact moment, the panic sets in, right? Your mind immediately starts racing through a dozen worst-case scenarios. Is it in the couch cushions? Did it fall out of the supermarket? Has someone already picked it up and started making unauthorized transactions? Every single second feels like an eternity when your financial security is hanging in the balance. But hey, take a deep breath, because you are absolutely not powerless here.
Validating that stressful, heart-pounding situation is exactly why we created this explainer. Look, whether you've simply misplaced your card during a really busy day or you're dealing with the far worse anxiety of a potential scam, you need to know exactly how to act, and act fast, to secure your finances. Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to lock your Westpac debit card online. By the end of this explainer, whether you're a total tech beginner or a total pro, you are going to know exactly how to take back control of your money instantly. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the roadmap for our explainer today. We'll quickly cover why lock your card, what you need first, our step-by-step guide, troubleshooting issues, misplaced for scam, and finally, pro tips for security.
Section 1. Why lock your card? Instant peace of mind.
Before digital banking, losing a card meant calling the bank, sitting on hold forever, and completely canceling your card. If you found it under your car seat 2 hours later, too bad. You had to wait a week or more for a new one in the mail. But now, a temporary lock changes everything. And the magic number to remember here is 15. When you apply a temporary lock through Westpac, it lasts for exactly 15 days. It totally restricts unauthorized point-of-sale and online transactions, keeping your money locked down while you search. If you don't unlock it yourself, the system actually just unlocks it automatically after this period. So it gives you this really generous, stress-free window to retrace your steps, check your laundry, call the coffee shop, the whole shebang. If 15 days pass and it's still gone, well, that is your signal to officially report it as lost or stolen and get a replacement.
Section 2. What you need first. Prerequisites for security.
Okay, so to use this self-service locking feature, you obviously need an active Westpac account and internet access. But most importantly, you must be registered for Westpac Online Banking or have the Westpac app downloaded and set up on your phone. If you aren't registered for digital banking yet, actually scratch that, you can still protect yourself, but you will need to call Westpac's 24/7 support line or visit a physical branch to have them place the block for you. For everyone else, though, digital is, without a doubt, the fastest way to go.
Section 3. Step-by-step locking guide. The Westpac app and online banking.
Picture this for a second. You're at a cafe, you reach for your wallet, and it's just gone. Pull out your phone and open the Westpac app. Step 1, simply type lock card right into the smart search bar on the home screen, or just tap cards in the bottom menu. Step 2, swipe to select the specific debit or credit card that's missing. And step 3, tap the button that clearly says lock card temporarily. That is literally it. 3 taps, a matter of seconds, and your card is entirely frozen to the outside world. Now, what's really interesting here is how similar, yet distinct, the process is if you're using desktop online banking from a computer. Once you're signed in, you won't see a cards button at the bottom. So step 1 is to go to the service menu at the top, then select card services. Step 2, click on lock a card temporarily. And step 3, select your compromised card from your list of accounts and click lock. It's just as fast, giving you immediate control right from your laptop. But let's say you get home, you check your jacket pocket, and boom, there it is. You haven't ruined your whole week. Because this is a temporary lock, the process is 100% reversible. You just follow those exact same steps in the app or online and hit the very same button to instantly unlock it. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You are immediately ready to start tapping and shopping again, honestly, as if nothing ever happened. I also want to briefly touch on a specific edge case for any business viewers out there. If you're operating within a Westpac business network, locking a card requires a specific profile entitlement called business servicing requests. You also have to navigate to other card services in the menu. And this is crucial. If you manage a team with multiple cards, locking your main card might not lock your employees' cards. You generally have to manage additional cardholders separately. So definitely keep that in mind for your corporate security protocols.
Moving right along to Section 4, troubleshooting common issues. Let's answer your immediate questions. Okay, this is arguably the single most common panic-induced question people have. I just locked my card, but tomorrow is payday. Is my paycheck gonna bounce? Are my direct debits gonna fail?
Well, you can breathe a massive sigh of relief here. Yes, you can absolutely still receive payments.
Locking your physical debit card only blocks card-based transactions, like swiping at a store or entering your 16-digit card number online. It does not freeze your underlying bank account, so any money coming in via a BSBN account number, like your salary or any scheduled direct debits tied to your account, will process completely unaffected. The next logical question in our very smartphone-driven world is about connected services, right? If the plastic card is locked, what in the world happens to the digital version sitting in Apple Pay, Google Pay, or services like Westpac's Part Pay?
Westpac's system is honestly brilliantly comprehensive in this regard. When you apply a temporary lock to your main card, it casts this wide security net. It instantly locks the physical card, your dynamic digital cards in the app, your Part Pay cards, and even mobile wearables like an Apple Watch or Garmin. Everything tied to that card goes totally dark, ensuring that even if a thief tries some sort of digital workaround, they are completely locked out.
Section 5. Misplaced card versus scam. Knowing which tool to use.
So here is the structural contrast you really need to understand. The temporary lock is your everyday tool. It's for 15 days, it's easily reversible by you, and it's perfect for a misplaced plastic card. But if you suspect a scammer is actually inside your account, you need the nuclear option, SafeBlock. SafeBlock is an emergency freeze available right in the app. It doesn't just stop card purchases, it stops all new outbound online banking payments and transfers across your entire profile. And because it's designed for active threats, it requires formal ID verification, like taking a selfie with your photo ID to unlock it. It's a highly powerful tool specifically designed to stop scammers dead in their tracks.
Finally, Section 6, Pro Tips for Security. Building your shield. Now that you know exactly how to react in an emergency, let's look at how to prevent one. Westpac has engineered several proactive layers of security to build a shield around your money. So, the crucial point is, you don't just have one line of defense. You have 24/7 fraud monitoring through a system called CardGuard, which watches for weird activity. If you use the digital card in the app, it features a dynamic CVC, meaning that 3-digit code on the back literally changes every 24 hours, making stolen details basically useless to hackers. They've also introduced SafeCall and SaferPay to verify high-risk transactions. And hey, if you do have to permanently cancel your card, you can still survive using the cardless cash feature at ATMs while you wait for the new plastic to arrive. Just make sure you set up email and text alerts to monitor all of this in real time.
Now let's address a highly specific real-world edge case that can be incredibly frustrating if you don't know the fix. Let's say you used the SafeBlock feature, you successfully verified your ID, and you unlocked your account. But suddenly, your Apple Pay or Google Wallet just outright refuses to work.
The fix for this, which comes directly from Westpac's technical guidelines, is beautifully crisp and simple. When a heavy freeze, like SafeBlock, is lifted, sometimes the digital token connecting your card to your phone's wallet just needs a hard reset. All you have to do is delete the card from your digital wallet and then immediately add it back in. This creates a fresh, secure connection and restores your full tap-and-go access instantly.
As we wrap up this explainer, we do need to provide a quick professional disclaimer. Banking technologies, app interfaces, and security protocols evolve incredibly fast. While the strategies we've outlined today are rooted in official Westpac operations, you should always consult Westpac's official website, their latest app updates, and their customer support teams for the absolute most accurate, up-to-date, and personalized advice regarding your accounts.
We're going to leave you with this final provocative thought. It's one thing to know how to lock your card. It's a completely different thing to be ready to do it. Have you actually logged into your app lately? Do you know exactly where that lock button is? Is your digital financial safety net set up, updated, and ready today? Or are you just waiting for that stomach-dropping moment to try and figure it out? Take 5 minutes after this explainer to check your settings. Trust me, your future self might just thank you for it.